An altar is a place of covenant.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Amen.
It's a place of sacrifice.
Amen.
Yes.
It's a place of exchange. It is a place where humanity meets divinity. It is a place where destiny is changed. Whatever altar, whatever agreement that your great-grandfather has made that has been working against you, you find yourself paying for something that you have never done.
My Lord.
Have you heard the concept? In this family we stick together.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Blood
sir.
is thicker than water.
Yes, sir.
We are this, we are that. You don't
Yes.
go outside of this
Yes.
family, which means they are telling you there's always a demon. There's always somebody the enemy will place in the family to make sure that you remain, you stay, you remain. Are you with me in here? A steadfast concerning what this evil covenant.
Yes.
You observe it. You never go outside of it. You stick with it.
Wow.
This is the way we think in this family. This is the way we do things in this family. But can I submit to you? It's time for a man to stand up and tear down every evil and demonic altar that your father and your mother has built in that family.
Come
Yes,
on,
sir.
now.
Amen.